Yeah, what's up, guys? How are you all doing? This one's entitled I'm a Lion, Tech House Mix, made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. Guys, I hope you like it.
Free from the cage full of from the cage full of free from the cage full of free from the cage full of I won't make it. I'm sorry that you feel that way, I'm a champion, no, I ain't afraid to take a hit. Put it in my face, you can hate me. I'm sorry that you feel that way, sorry that you feel that way. Like I care, like I'm here to bring you down. Ooh, like the air that I'm breathing will be around. I'm sorry that you feel that. I'm sorry that you feel that way. I'm sorry that you feel that way. Sorry that you feel that way. I'm sorry that you feel that way. Yeah. Sorry that you feel that way. I'm a lion, free from the cage full of
Guys, I hope you like it. If you like it, hit me up. Drop a like, subscribe, follow, drop a comment. Guys, remember to tap in for more from this channel right here. Cheese!